Hey there, welcome back. Today I will walk you through how to see who viewed a file in Google Drive. Now let's dive into the core issue and why this is such a valuable skill to have. Imagine you've shared a particularly important document or presentation with your team or collaborators. Naturally, you want to know who has actually taken the time to view it and when they did so. This information can be crucial for tracking engagement, ensuring accountability, or simply understanding how your content is being interacted with. Whether it's for professional audits or just personal curiosity, knowing who viewed your files in Google Drive can provide you with the insights you need to manage your shared materials effectively. Let's get started with this step-by-step guide on how to unlock these details using Google Drive's web interface. This method will help you keep tabs on your files and make sure you're fully aware of how they're being used. First things first, open up Google Drive in your preferred web browser. Once there, navigate to the specific file you're interested in. You can do this by scrolling through your folders, switching between list and grid views, or using the handy search bar at the top to locate it quickly. Remember, these tools work best on the web version of Google Drive, so make sure you're not using a mobile app for this task. Once you've pinpointed the file, right-click on it and select View Details. Alternatively, you might notice a small eye icon, which often appears near the top right corner of the Drive interface after you select the file. Clicking on this icon will achieve the same result. Either action will bring up a Details pane on the right side of your screen, where the magic happens. In this Details pane, you'll find two tabs, Details and Activity. While the Details tab provides general information about the file, such as its size and type, our focus here is on the Activity tab. This is where you'll see a timeline of interactions with your file. Click on the Activity tab to reveal a chronological list of actions. This list includes various types of events like views, edits, comments, and sometimes changes in sharing settings. Each entry will display who performed the action, provided that information is available, along with the exact time it took place. If you're working with a Google Doc, a sheet, or a slide, you'll likely notice especially clear entries for comments and edits. On the other hand, other file types often show views and access events. Remember, the most recent interactions will always appear at the top of the list, making it easy for you to see the latest activity. It's important to keep in mind that detailed viewing information is only accessible for files in shared drives or for files that you own. If you're not seeing viewer names or specific view events, it could be because the file is outside a shared drive and you don't own it, or due to privacy settings that limit the visibility of such details. In some instances, you might encounter generalized entries like "someone viewed," indicating that your access to details is somewhat restricted. Utilize the information you gather here to track engagement or audit file activity. For instance, you can confirm if your teammates have reviewed a document before a meeting, understand which assets are gaining the most attention, or verify when changes and comments were made. If you're overseeing a project or distributing resources, this timeline can aid you in following up with the right people and ensuring your workflow stays on track. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to check file activity and viewer details in Google Drive. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to see who viewed a file in Google Drive. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe so you never miss an update.